Once upon a time in the quaint town of Realtyville, there lived a man named Harold Hapless. Now, Harold wasn't particularly known for his financial savvy. In fact, his idea of investing was buying lottery tickets and crossing his fingers. But one sunny day, as he strolled through Realtyville, he stumbled upon an unexpected treasure trove of wisdom: real estate investment. The tale of Harold's journey into the world of real estate investments is a whimsical one. It all started at a local cafe where Harold was nursing a cup of coffee, contemplating the latest lottery numbers when he overheard two gentlemen discussing their booming real estate portfolios. Gentleman 1, "You know, I've made a fortune investing in real estate. It's like planting money trees, my friend." Gentleman 2, "Oh, come on. It's not that easy. You need to know the ropes." Harold, being the curious soul that he was, couldn't resist butting into their conversation. Harold wide-eyed, "Money trees, you say? Tell me more." And so, Harold's adventure in real estate began. Chapter 1, The Humble Abode. Gentleman 1, whose name turned out to be William Wiseacre, decided to start with the basics. He took Harold to a cozy little residential property, William gesturing dramatically, "Behold, Harold. This is where it all begins. The humble abode." Harold was impressed. It had a picket fence and a friendly dog next door. William explained how investing in residential properties can provide steady rental income. Chapter 2, The Towering Skyscraper. But Harold had a thirst for grandeur. He yearned for towering skyscrapers that scraped the sky. So, off they went to meet a real estate mogul named Victoria Visionary. Victoria waved her hand gracefully, "Welcome, Harold, to the world of commercial real estate. Here, we build towers that reach for the stars." Harold was mesmerized by the glass and steel behemoth before him. Victoria explained that commercial real estate could yield substantial returns, especially with long-term leases from reputable businesses. Chapter 3, The Hidden Gems. As Harold's real estate knowledge grew, he stumbled upon another facet of the business: flipping houses with the help of an expert named Felix Flipper. Felix grinning like a Cheshire cat, "Harold, my boy. Welcome to the world of flipping. We buy low, renovate, and sell high." Harold soon learned that finding hidden gems and giving them a makeover could turn a tidy profit. He discovered that the real estate market was not just about buying properties but also about understanding market trends and spotting opportunities. Chapter 4, The Exotic Escapade. Harold's adventures didn't stop there. He met Isabella Investor, who introduced him to the world of exotic real estate. Isabella sipping on a tropical cocktail, "Harold, darling, let's talk about vacation rentals and buying properties in paradise." Harold was thrilled to learn that investing in vacation rentals in sought-after tourist destinations could provide both rental income and personal vacation spots. Chapter 5, The Magical Multifamily. As Harold's real estate knowledge expanded, he encountered a charming fellow named Martin Multifamily, who shared the secrets of investing in multifamily properties. Martin, with a mischievous grin, "Harold, picture this: multiple rental units under one roof. It's like having an army of money-making minions." Harold realized that multifamily properties could provide diversification and a steady stream of rental income, even if one unit had a vacancy. Chapter 6, The Grand Finale. Harold had learned about various types of real estate investments, from residential to commercial, flipping to vacation rentals, multifamily properties, and exotic escapades. He was ready to put his newfound knowledge to the test. With the guidance of his mentors, Harold started investing wisely. He bought a quaint residential property, transformed a fixer-upper, and even dipped his toes into vacation rentals in a tropical paradise. As the years rolled by, Harold's real estate portfolio grew like a money tree, just as William Wiseacre had said. He wasn't a lottery winner, but he had something better: a diversified real estate empire that brought him a comfortable life and the freedom to pursue his dreams. The tale of Harold Hapless teaches us that with a dash of curiosity, a sprinkle of humor, and the right mentors, anyone can embark on a whimsical journey into the world of real estate investments and build a fortune to last a lifetime. So, go forth and seek your own real estate adventure, for who knows what treasures await in the land of bricks and mortar. Here are some tips for investing in various types of real estate. Residential real estate. Location is key. Choose neighborhoods with strong growth potential, good schools, and low crime rates. Research the local housing market to identify trends. Start small. If you're new to real estate, begin with a single-family home or a duplex to get a feel for property management and maintenance. Cash flow matters. Ensure your rental income exceeds expenses, mortgage, property taxes, maintenance, and insurance. To generate positive cash flow, screen tenants. Carefully screen potential tenants to reduce the risk of late payments or damage to your property. A thorough background and credit check is essential. Commercial real estate market research. Analyze the local economy, job market, and vacancy rates in the area you're considering for commercial property investments. Lease terms. Understand commercial lease agreements thoroughly. Consider triple net leases, which pass property expenses to tenants, providing more predictable income. Diversify tenants. Avoid reliance on a single tenant by investing in multi-tenant properties. This reduces the risk of vacancy, leaving you with no income. Maintenance and management. Commercial properties often require less day-to-day management, but regular maintenance is crucial to attract and retain tenants. House flipping. Know your budget. Create a detailed budget that covers purchase price, renovation costs, holding costs, and a buffer for unexpected expenses. Renovate wisely. Focus on high-impact renovations that add value. Kitchens, bathrooms, and curb appeal improvements are often good choices. Time is money. Understand that flipping houses can be time-consuming. The longer a property sits on the market, the more it costs you. Exit strategy. Have a clear plan for selling the property. Set a target selling price and timeline to maximize your profits. Vacation rentals, location and amenities. Invest in vacation destinations with year-round appeal and offer amenities that make your property stand out, such as a pool or a stunning view. Marketing matters. Develop a strong online presence and use platforms like Airbnb and VRBO to attract guests. Professional photos and compelling descriptions are essential. Pricing strategy. Adjust your rental rates based on seasons, local events, and demand. Research similar properties in the area for competitive pricing. Guest experience. Ensure a seamless and enjoyable experience for guests. Promptly address their needs and provide clear instructions for check-in and check-out. Multifamily properties. Due diligence. Thoroughly inspect the property and review financial records. Look for any deferred maintenance or potential issues that might impact your investment. Tenant retention. Keep existing tenants happy to reduce turnover and vacancy rates. Address maintenance issues promptly and fairly. Property management. Consider hiring professional property management to handle day-to-day operations and tenant relations, especially for larger multifamily properties. Cash reserves. Maintain a cash reserve to cover unexpected expenses, such as repairs or periods of vacancy. Exotic real estate, local regulations. Understand the legal and regulatory requirements for foreign real estate investments, including property ownership and tax implications. Currency exchange. Be aware of exchange rate fluctuations if investing in a foreign currency. Currency exchange risk can impact your returns. Local partners. Consider partnering with a local real estate expert who understands the market, culture, and legal requirements. Visit personally, if possible. Visit the property in person to get a first-hand feel for the area and assess its investment potential. Remember that successful real estate investing often requires a combination of knowledge, research, and careful planning. Each type of real estate investment has its unique challenges and opportunities, so tailor your approach to your goals and risk tolerance. Consider consulting with a financial advisor or real estate professional for personalized guidance.